What's up, guys? So I've been looking into crypto trading for about a year now, reading through case studies, checking out different communities on Reddit and Twitter, watching demos, testing platforms myself, all that research. And guys, the amount of scam content out there is actually insane. Every corner of the internet has someone pushing a bot with profit claims that are clearly fabricated. And yeah, I got tricked by this stuff early on. Tried maybe 7 different bots total. One had a whole verification loop that never ended when I tried withdrawing. Another just had terrible performance and kept losing funds. Burned through cash, got really skeptical, honestly thought every single trading agent platform was basically a scam designed to take people's money. But then about 7 months ago, I discovered TradeSmart, and it's honestly the only one I've found that's actually legit and hasn't pulled any shady moves. Everything runs properly, it's clear and transparent, zero red flags. So I'm showing you my real process here because if you've been scammed before and you don't trust anything anymore, trust me, I get it, and this might actually be different.
Okay, so I've already logged in, and the first step, I'm picking the preset. There are safe, optimal, and aggressive available. This controls how the AI agent trades, my risk level, profit potential, and capital requirements. Just choose whatever matches your comfort zone. Okay, then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which AI brains running all the trades. And based on what I've experienced, auto-select is definitely the smartest choice. It consistently picks the right one, and I've genuinely never needed to change it manually. Then there's investment amount, just whatever you're comfortable putting in for this session. Right. Next is network selection. Depends on how busy things are and what fees are running. So I pick whichever has lower costs, or just leave it auto-select. Last thing, click Start AI, which kicks everything off. Now I'm basically just watching. Gonna speed this section up for demonstration.
And nice, I've ended the session, and here's everything. My total balance, profits made, number of trades, win rate percentage, and total time. There's also a console here displaying every action the bot took during that whole run. So yeah, this should show you how solid and reliable this tech is, especially right now in 2026. So now I just need to select the currency and enter my address. One moment, please. Okay, now I'm clicking Confirm Withdrawal. Good, it's processing. Awesome, tokens sent to my wallet. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to show up in my balance, let me tell you about my experience and why this is literally the only platform I trust after everything else.
So here's what really opened my eyes. Legitimate platforms make everything verifiable. Every scam I dealt with was basically a black box where you send money and just hope something good happens. No proof, no transparency, just blind faith. TradeSmart is the opposite. You can see every trade happening in real time through the console. Verify the bot is actually working, check the timestamps and amounts, everything. That verifiability is huge because it means they're not faking results or hiding losses. And the thing that really proved it to me was consistency across different market conditions. I've used this through bull runs, crashes, sideways markets, all of it, over 7 months. Performance stays reliable regardless of conditions. So if you're done wasting time and money on platforms that don't deliver and you want something that's actually real, I was in your position 7 months ago. TradeSmart link is down in the description, and I'll have it pinned in the comments for easy access. If this was valuable, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a comment. Seriously curious what your experience has been with other platforms. Peace.